If you think WD-40 is just a squeaky hinge spray, you're missing out on thousands of dollars in savings, because, mechanics know one thing the average driver doesn't. WD-40 can quietly prevent expensive breakdowns long before they happen, and today, I'm showing you the smartest WD-40 tricks that protect your engine, extend your car's life, and fix problems that would normally cost hundreds, sometimes even thousands, to repair. Let's start with a problem almost every car faces: corrosion on battery terminals. That white or green crusty buildup doesn't just look bad, it increases resistance, damages cables, causes slow cranking, and can eventually leave your car completely dead. But here's the trick. After cleaning the terminals, spray a light coat of WD-40. It creates a moisture-blocking barrier that stops corrosion from returning, giving you stronger starts and longer battery life. Mechanics do this all the time, and most drivers don't even know the trick exists. Next, the WD-40 hack that saves people from replacing entire window regulators. If your windows move slowly, jerk on the way up, or get stuck halfway, you're probably thinking it's the motor failing, but in most cases, it's actually dry, dirty window tracks creating friction. Instead of a $200 to $400 repair, you can spray a tiny amount of WD-40 into the tracks, wipe off the excess, and the window will glide like new. Just don't spray it inside the motor, only on the rubber tracks. Now, here's one almost nobody talks about. WD-40 can prevent rust on your car's underbody hardware. Exhaust bolts, suspension bolts, brackets, clamps. These areas are constantly exposed to water, road salt, and debris. When they rust, repairs become 3 to 5 times more expensive because technicians have to cut or replace frozen hardware. A quick WD-40 spray on these exposed areas helps prevent rust from forming, saving you major labor costs later. Here's a trick that helps older cars run smoother: cleaning your throttle linkage. Over time, dirt and grime accumulate where the throttle cable meets the throttle body. This can cause rough, idle, delayed throttle response, or sticky acceleration. A small amount of WD-40 on the exterior linkage, not inside the throttle body, can dissolve grime and free up movement instantly. Again, never spray WD-40 inside the throttle body, only on the exterior moving parts. Let's talk about door and trunk latches. When these dry out, you get rattling doors, stiff handles, and locks that don't click smoothly. Some drivers replace the latch entirely, spending $150 to $300, when the real solution is a 2-second WD-40 spray. It lubricates the mechanism and removes moisture, making the latch click smoothly again. Here's a huge one: WD-40 on spark plug boots. Removing spark plugs on older cars can tear the rubber boot, causing misfires and forcing you to buy a new ignition coil. By lightly spraying WD-40 around the boot before removal, it breaks the bond and lets the boot slide off safely. That's an easy $50 to $150 saved instantly. Alright, now let's move to exterior maintenance. Got stubborn bumper residue, old decals, or adhesive that just won't come off? Well, here's a handy tip for you. WD-40 melts adhesive without damaging your paint. Instead of paying a detailer $40 to $80, just a few sprays, and a soft cloth will do the job in minutes. It also helps remove tree sap and tar, those pesky things that can stain your paint if left untreated. Here's another trick the pros use: freeing seized bolts. Whether it's suspension bolts, engine cover bolts, or rusty fasteners, WD-40 is a reliable penetrating solution that helps break corrosion. It often prevents the need for drilling, cutting, or replacing hardware. If you've ever paid mechanic labor rates, you know how fast those simple stuck bolt jobs can turn into expensive nightmares. Now, let's talk about something most people tend to ignore: windshield wiper hinges. When these stiffen up, the wipers drag, chatter, or stop wiping part of the glass. Many drivers assume it's the blade and spend money replacing it, but if the hinge mechanism is stiff, the blade will never press correctly on the glass. A quick WD-40 spray restores smooth movement and makes your existing wipers last longer. Here's a trick that saves you from replacing interior components: fixing squeaky seats and door panels. Cars naturally develop interior squeaks over time, and dealerships charge heavily for, interior noise diagnosis. A small spray of WD-40 on the seat rails or the metal behind the door panel often eliminates the noise instantly. Another WD-40 use that people underestimate is water displacement in electrical issues. If your car has been exposed to water, or your ignition system got damp, WD-40 can help dry out connectors safely because it was originally designed as a water displacement formula. It restores spark and prevents corrosion inside the contacts. Finally, a WD-40 trick for uneven or sticky hood struts. When hood or trunk struts lose lubrication, they start sagging or fail to hold weight. Instead of replacing the struts immediately, you can extend their life by spraying WD-40 on the joints, not the piston. This reduces friction and lets the struts perform properly for much longer. Before you grab your WD-40 and start spraying everything, remember, WD-40 is not meant for rubber seals, timing belts, or internal engine parts. Use it wisely, and it becomes one of the most powerful money-saving tools you'll ever own. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. And if you want more simple tricks that keep your car running longer for less money, make sure you subscribe. Your next big repair bill might just disappear because you watched this video.